You know, I'm really excited about Shiba because they're making a big thing. On top of Ethereum, they are making their own second layer. This means that when you send Shiba, you will actually use the fees of the Shiba Inu coin instead of Ethereum to send it. This is very important. This is huge. This is the reason I'm going to get more Shiba Inus. You should know that crypto prices have been going down for a few weeks now if you have been following the crypto markets. At this point, Shiba Inu is either going to make it or break it, but market experts think it will make it. This is something you need to see if you are interested in Shiba Inus or if you have Shiba cards. What's new with the Shiba Inu coins? What does this mean for the value of Shiba Inus? In today's movie, I'll answer these questions and tell you everything you need to know about what Shiba Inus have been up to lately. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. All you have to do to enter is follow this channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu. Have fun! Let's look at the map and see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 3 RD before we get to our subject, shall we? The price of a Shiba Inu right now is about 726 units. There were $102 million worth of trades in SHIBs in the last 24 hours, which is a 2.6% drop in price. The token is also the 18th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $4.2 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This is not financial advice, and putting money into the crypto market is dangerous, so please learn more about it on your own. Now, let's talk about the video's main story. In October, Shiba Inus saw record gains of 422%. Historic October rallies are a sign of good times to come. As the cryptosphere's glasses are carefully placed on the changing graph of Shiba Inus, SHIB fans feel a spark of hope. According to data from the past, there has been a pretty steady and lucky trend of huge price increases every October since the beginning of the trend in 2020. This recurring October victory, which is very different from SHIB's battle to break the 800-unit price mark, is creating an atmosphere of excitement as we move into October 2023. Shiba Inu's journey in the market for digital assets has been like riding a roller coaster. The token has fought hard against market bears to break through the strong barrier at $0.8. As the leaves start to fall, the memories of October's past bring a glimmer of hope for SHIB. If you look at the price history of Shiba Inus, you can't miss the big jumps that happen every October. For example, according to CryptoRanks Analytics, Shiba prices hit an all-time high of 822% in October 2021. The end of the next October wasn't completely bad either. SHIB did well and gained 10.4%. Even though there was a drop of 6.43% in September 2022, CoinRank's solid data shows that SHIB saw an average October drop of 422%. Even though this pattern in history is appealing to buyers, it is important to keep an open mind. Even though stories about how markets have done in the past are interesting, they don't give us crystal balls for how they will behave in the future. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still watching. It doesn't cost anything and helps the station a lot. But don't stop watching to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the future might hold for the coin. Upgrade catalyst for a Shiba Inu Shibarium for a SHIB rally market for SHIBs coming back a bit of hope. What an interesting turn of events. The Shiba Inu coin SHIB is back in the spotlight because its price went up by almost 4% over the weekend. This price increase happened at the same time that HSBC Bank said it would add Shiba to its payment system, and Wirex and OnRamper announced they would work together to add SHIB to more crypto purchases. These changes suggest that the market for SHIB is picking up again, as it starts to regain some of its former vigor. The story was made even better by the important progress made by Shibarium, Shiba Inu's local blockchain. Shibarium has been the subject of much excitement in the SHIB world since it launched. As shown by the rise in share prices, Advent seems to have made people feel better about the market. Creative use of technology. The Shibarium's promise. The Shibarium team is going outside the norm by saying they have big plans to release new technologies by the end of October. The The blockchain will work better now that it has been announced that it will start its own domain name service, called Shibarium ID. This progress, along with a digital authentication system, shows that the team is determined to build a strong community around Shiba Inus. Shibarium has moved to introduce new technologies, which suggests a strong commitment to strengthening the Shiba Inu ecosystem, even though worries have been raised in the past about a less efficient burning system. At the same time, this could make it easier for SHIB's marketplace to do well. It's also interesting that this exchange happened at this time. Shiba Inu has been going up along with the rest of the coin market, but it is now running into trouble. If she fails to break through, the 50 EMA mark could be a turning point for the token's short-term price action. It's possible that whale sell-offs like the one we just saw will cause the trend to change. Also, the Shiba Inu relative strength measure has gone over 50, which means the price is moving up. The low trading volume, on the other hand, shows that the rally may not be as strong as it seems. To sum up, the $3.2 million deal might not be a cash flow problem for Shiba Inu, but it could be a sign of a bigger trend. Whales may be taking profits, especially since sheep are getting close to a level of key resistance. Traders and investors should pay close attention to these big deals and the 50 EMA level to get a sense of where the token is going in the future. Because of how the market is moving right now, it is very important to be careful when dealing with Shiba Inu and other risky assets. Before you invest, you should always do your own study and think about how much risk you are willing to take. The crypto markets are at a point where they can either make or break, and many buyers don't know what to do next. It's clear to me that 2024 will be the year of the bull run and the year when crypto millionaires are made. SHIB burns go through the roof. But when will the price of SHIB finally go through the roof? The rise in the number of sheep that have been burned in the last 24 hours. The burn rate of sheep has gone through the roof, rising by an amazing 940%. This increase in the rate of burn took away more than 164 million sheep tokens from circulation. Based on data from the burn tracking tool Kucoin, these burns happened in 50 transactions. One large transaction burned 100 million sheep tokens, which made the rise in the burn rate much more noticeable. In the past 24 hours, the burn rate for Shiba Inu has gone down by 18%, which means that 104,639,578 sheep tokens have been taken out of circulation. This drop in the burn rate means that the Shiba Inu environment is temporarily slowing down the burning of tokens. The crypto community keeps a close eye on burn rates because they have a big effect on lowering the number of tokens, which could affect the price of those tokens. The changing burn rates show how volatile the crypto market is, where different factors and community-driven projects can have an impact on the tokenomics of a project like Shibarium transactions on the rise. At the same time that the burn rate is going up, there are a lot more transactions on Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling option for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium Network Explorer Shibarium